Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to see the document outline in the Google Docs app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe, leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First we have to open up the Google Docs app. And here it opens up in Drive Files. From here we just have to go into the document that we want to edit. And here in the bottom right corner we have a pencil icon. We have to tap on that. Then on the three dots in the top right corner. And here we tap on document outline. Now if we have a longer document with headings and footers and titles and everything else, the document outline is going to be here, and we can navigate the document with that. So if we have a title, we can just tap on that and the document is going to jump to that part of the text. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one.